What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to resolve the Bluetooth audio problem in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all restart your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will fix minor software glitches and it will help you to fix the Bluetooth audio issue. Now after restarting your phone, restart your Bluetooth device too, and after restarting the Bluetooth device, reconnect the device with your phone and then the Bluetooth audio issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then forget and repair the device. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, tap on connections. Now click on Bluetooth and then tap on this settings icon with your connected Bluetooth audio device, and from here tap on unpair. Then from the pop-up tap on unpair again to confirm, and then again connect to your device. Now in available devices list, tap on the audio device and then from the pop-up tap on pair, and after that the Bluetooth audio issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset mobile network settings, and then again click on reset settings to reset the mobile network settings. So when you will reset the mobile network settings, it will reset all the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and after that your Bluetooth audio issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.